Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of a makeup kit that's perfect for both teens and adults alike. The product we'll be looking at today is the Makeup Kit Makeup Sets for Teens, a versatile all-in-one makeup kit designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced makeup lovers. It promises to be the go-to set for anyone looking for a complete beauty experience. This all-in-one makeup kit includes 18 vibrant eyeshadows, foundation, concealer, mascara, lip gloss, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, a contour stick, powder puff, makeup brushes, loose powder, and even a concealer palette. With all these elements, it's designed to offer everything you need to create a full face of makeup, whether you're going for a natural look or something more glam. The kit stands out with its sleek and organized design, which makes it an excellent gift option for anyone, be it your teenage daughter, niece, or even a friend. It's perfect for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or any other special occasion. The colors in the eyeshadow palette are rich and pigmented, blending effortlessly for various looks, while the formula is skin-friendly, easy to apply, and simple to remove. Plus, the products are cruelty-free, which is always a plus. From my personal experience using this kit, I found that all the products worked as intended. The eyeshadow colors were easy to blend, offering a good range of shades from soft neutrals to more intense pops of color. The foundation provided solid coverage without feeling heavy, and the concealer effectively covered blemishes and under eye circles. The mascara was easy to apply without clumping, and the lip gloss added a subtle shine that wasn't sticky. The brushes were soft, making the application process smooth and enjoyable. When it comes to performance, this makeup kit really does deliver. It excels in terms of pigmentation, especially the eyeshadows, which is essential for creating bold looks. The longevity of the products is good, though I did notice that some of the makeup required a bit of touch-up after a few hours. However, considering the price point, it performs very well for the average user. As for the pros, the biggest strengths of this kit are its variety, the vibrant color payoff, and its user-friendly design. It's a great choice for beginners, as everything you need is right there in one convenient set. On the downside, if you're someone who prefers high-end makeup or long-wear formulas, this kit may not last as long as you'd like, and the eyeshadows may require a primer for better staying power. In comparison to other makeup kits, especially in the same price range, this set offers a solid variety of products that can compete with much more expensive brands. While you might find higher-end kits with more specialized or professional-grade products, this kit still gives a great introduction to makeup with a diverse range of options. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, this kit is an incredible deal for anyone just starting out or looking for an affordable all-in-one makeup set. Considering the number of products you get, it's a great option for anyone on a budget, especially teens or young adults. In terms of build quality, the kit itself is pretty sturdy. The compact packaging makes it travel-friendly, though I did notice that the powder puff could be a bit more durable. The overall construction is good for what you're paying for, but there's room for improvement in terms of long-term durability, especially for more frequent users. When it comes to ease of use, the products in this kit are straightforward and beginner-friendly. The brushes are soft, and there's no complicated application process for any of the items. The products are also easy to remove at the end of the day, which is another plus for anyone looking for a hassle-free experience. As for customer support, this product doesn't have much direct customer interaction, but with most kits like this, you're generally covered by the retailer's return policy in case of any issues. Testing it in real-world scenarios, I wore this makeup kit to both a casual day out and a special event. In both settings, the makeup held up well, with only minor touch-ups needed throughout the day. The eyeshadows stayed vibrant, and the foundation didn't feel too heavy even after a few hours of wear. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for an affordable all-in-one makeup kit that covers all the basics, this set is a fantastic option. Whether you're just starting your makeup journey or looking to add a few new items to your collection, it offers great value. It's ideal for those who love experimenting with makeup or for young teens looking for their first makeup kit. If you're enjoying this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest beauty tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this kit yourself or if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for a link to grab your own kit.